a quick review on my Shortcam 2 after the installation of the set of software. So on my workbench I have ITEL 5613. ITEL 5613. It was sent to me by one of my customers. So the phone has already been tampered with by one of the technicians. He gave it to OK, so it was sent to me to see if I can fix it. So upon arrival, I detected that it had shots on the motherboard, so I had to use this thermal camera to see what's happening or what item is causing the short on the battery terminal. So as you can see from the thermal image, you see that the network IC, which is the network chip, is burning red hot. That's what is causing the short from this red spot. Okay, that's what is causing that short on that motherboard that is making it not to turn on. So we have to remove the network IC. So hopefully after removing it, let's see if the phone will come on. Okay, so I'm still trying to put it on thermal imagery. As you can see the cursor, I have changed the image to thermal imagery so that it will be visible, very visible. Okay, so mind you, the short started from the battery terminal. So using my multimeter, I read that it has short on the battery terminal. So it do drain battery and it's not coming on. So you just have to connect your red probe and the black probe to ground. So later I connect my black probe to ground, you see that the network IC is burning red hot on the motherboard from the monitor screen. So that is what is causing the short. Okay, that's what is causing the short. So let's remove the network IC to see if it will solve the problem of this motherboard. As you can see from the video, that's what the network IC looks like. I'm really impressed with the work of this Shortcam 2. It's a very good thermal camera. So after removing the shorted network IC, okay, here is it. Okay, after removing the shorted network IC, so I discovered that it still has a short, but I tried powering it on with my DC supply. It draw a certain amps and it got stuck. It's not coming on, it got stuck. But majorly, the major short has been removed, but it still has a minimal short. It has a minimal short, so I had to still check what's wrong to see if any component is still shorted on the motherboard. So let's go. So I'm about to check exactly. You can see now, immediately I connect my black probe to ground. You are seeing that the network, which is this chip you are seeing now, is the main chip, which is the CPU, the central processing unit of the motherboard. That is what has the motherboard entirely. So once this chip has issues, that is the end of that phone. It can be fixed, although it can be fixed, but it's not worth it because it's just a normal small phone. This is a feature phone, not an Android. You get, so it can be fixed, but it's not worth it. At the end of the day, it's not worth it. Okay, so we just, instead of fixing such phones, you just need to add little money to the money you want to pay the technician, get a new phone. So it means this phone is gone. It's gone for life. It cannot be fixed. That is the end. So as an engineer, you need tools to know what's going on so that you will not waste your time. Okay, so as you can see, this Shortcam 2 has already saved a lot of my time instead of guessing and guessing and guessing. Thanks and God bless you.